Tokeni hapa, polisi hatasaidia. Tokeni hapa. Waleta nini? Wafuruka.
Tuheshimiane bwana. Tuheshimiane.
You check on that video, even them, they had no role. Me, I was just saying that kila mtu atoke hapa. I was not directing any vijana wafanye chochote. In fact, if I was to bring even vijana to harass people, would have been chaotic. But I decided to lead and tell them that tafadhali, kila mtu tokeni hapa, we discuss everything. This public participation, in fact, they are supposed to be done in a very neutral venue. It's not supposed to be in a developer's venue. So in a fact, kwa public. And I wish that those people were arrested. And I still push that Chief Gitaka, Chief Joelin Gitaka, Chief Catherine Wawira, Chief Assistant, the two assistant chief for the chiefs, they are persona non gratas here. It is an illegal cartel led by the ACC Hassan. They need to leave this place and leave it in peace.